The next statement we'll take a look at is the condense statement. So let me bring these up here. Our ABAP programs quite often have to deal with long text fields that contain unwanted spaces. So this is where the condense statement can be used to remove these blank characters. The definition of the condense statement is very simple. So first, if we start off with typing out the condense statement, we can then have a look at the search help and see the basic form. So here you can see condense, then the field name, and there's just one addition we can add, which is the no gaps. So I'll key in a line of ABAP code and we'll go through it and test the program out and see the output. Okay, so I've added some code in here. I'll just point it out. Up at the top in the data statement, I've extended the number of fields I have defined by creating a new field called space name that is 20 characters long. And you can see I've given it a value of Mr. Joe Smith. And you'll notice I have put many spaces between the three individual words. Then coming down, I've added a comment just showing the definition of the condense statement with the optional no gaps, which we'll come to in a second, and then the basic output. And I'll add in just a bit of code to write it out to our report window. And we're done. So it's very, very simple. The condense statement will take out the blank spaces between our three words, but not fully. What it will do, it will leave one space between each word. So we should end up with Mr. space Joe space Smith. Let's save the report and test it out. Here you can see Mr. Joe Smith with one space. Now the addition is no gaps, and no doubt you can work out exactly what this is going to do. Let's make it look nice. So this one will do exactly the same, but where we were left with one space between each word, it should then bring everything together, so there are no spaces at all. And as you can see, a very simple statement, nice and easy to code.